Right, so if you are watching this before you have seen my Ripper mask build, I suggest you go and watch that first, because this is sort of like a add-on to that video. It's literally just about adding straps. That's all. Basically just talking about how I'm running through it, what I'm using, what you can use. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey, so this is sort of a little add-on to my last video. I did talk about straps and stuff, and I didn't end up doing it in that video, so I thought I'd make one on doing some straps. So I haven't fully completed this one yet, but I'll show you how I'm going to go about it. So for the top, it's literally just some elastic that has been stitched on. Stitching could be better. I've used some wax thread. So it's quite thick, so it's not really going to fall off or get loose. So yeah, that's how I've done it. It's quite rudimentary and not the best looking. I was going to go for a buckle at the top, but when I tested it out, it sort of dug into the back of my skull. Whereas this part, I can put a buckle on because it sort of sits just at the back of your neck. And this being a curved buckle, it actually fits quite well. I just haven't attached these because, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it on, play with the straps a bit, find out where the tension is, what's the most comfortable, and then I'll sort of hold it, and then I'll stitch it together. But yeah, so how I've hooked them inside, as you can see, it's just gone around the loop, stitched in. You can use glue. Normally I'd use Gorilla Glue. It's what I've done in an Iron Man glove, and it bonds really well to PLA. Just where I was putting the strap to strap, it didn't really want to bond as well. So there is a bit of glue on it, but then I thought I'd reinforce it with some stitching. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick little video on straps. Measurements all depends on the size of your head. I will put a link in for the buckles, for the elastic. Glue you may or may not use. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I've gone about it. I'll get this sorted and then I will do another clip of how it looks. So yeah, so gone ahead and I've added the buckles, stitched them up, as you can see. So nice and tight, won't come loose or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and it does fit on quite well. So this just sort of slots over the top, and then the buckles sort of go around the back and clip in, and there you go. It's really good. It's not loose or anything like that. It is quite firm, a little bit tight if anything. If there was any room inside here, then I'd opt to put some padding in, but there's not. It's literally right on my face. But yeah, so that's just a little quick way of how I've added some straps on so it can secure on your head. I mean, there are the TPU versions. I will put the link in case you want to decide to choose those. But yeah, I just find it more comfortable using some elastic. I mean, whichever you prefer. But yeah, so that's sort of like the little strap update for the last video. Hope this helps. Stay tuned for the next one.